Hi guys, this is TechnoKid. Today I'll show you how to create a gig on a Fiverr account. So here you can see a gig, create a new gig. So here you can see there are different panels. So first you have to give a title to your gig. So for this I'll do the minimalist logo in a day. So whatever you can do you can write, but make it sure that it will a bit more attractive, give your customer a um, more feel like that they have to choose this gig. So it's more like why you. So and give them a better view. So here I tried that I will do this specific logo design and I will make sure that I'll deliver them in a day. So that's what I write. After this you can write a category, whichever category you think you can do work. So here are different categories like graphic and design, digital marketing, whatever you feel you are good at you can do. So here I select the graphic and design and there the logo design. So yes, file format. So I can provide the Adobe Illustrator file, PNG file, JPG file. So I select that style. So style is what you are going to deliver. So I'm going to deliver a flat or minimalist logo. So I select that. After that, here's the most important thing: search tags. So give those tags which are most likely to be searched by the customer. Mostly the customer search for unique logos, so I'll give them a search tag unique, creative. So such like these you can give any of 5 logos and make sure give them those logos which really meant to promote your gig. Save and next. So here's come the pricing. It's the most important thing. So how to do the pricing? Here are 3 different packages. You can name them a basic, standard and premium. So gold, gold, platinum, any name you want to give. You can give them good, best, good, better, best, whatever. So I give them name this one, platinum, gold and silver. Describe your logo, what you can provide them. So I'll go with this. Yeah, that you will get a minimalist logo and this much quality in this price and this, right? And same, but here I can give them some reviews, additional reviews. So and here you can provide unlimited review, whatever you want. You write those things in this. And delivery time, make it sure for the as a beginner you give a 1 day delivery, so that it will give a more chance for a customer to approach you. Revision in a start, let it be unlimited. So with time you can change those, but for a beginner it's good. Initial concepts that you want a sample, or you want a color, or whatever you want from the your customer to provide you, you can give that according to come to your own need. So source file that you can provide as a beginner, you can be willing to provide the source file to all these. uh, and logo transparency, here I'll give logo transparency to these both. Resolution should be maximum for starting. If you can give a 3D logo, so click on that. If not, so it's okay. And here it is. So pricing, as a beginner it should be the lowest. to attract your customer. So I'll give them 5, 10 and $15 price. So here some extra services that you can provide for a bit more, and you will charge for those. Let's say they might for extra, if someone wants some extra fast delivery, so here you can write that in one day I will deliver and give a extra charge for this much. But as in this case I'm just delivering all these packages in a day, so there's no need of this. Similarly all the other things. Now comes the most important part. Here you have to describe your cake. So this is what the most important thing which a customer sees. So give a brief idea about your cake, that why did they choose you, how you are better than the others, all those things. So here what I wrote. So this is what, so you can see I'll give them basic knowledge about my work, that I will give these logos in this type and in this time, and will give them and these many services. So that's why I'm better, and I looking forward to serve them. So here you can write. After that you can in this para you can bold some things to make to emphasize those things. This way it will give you a better look to your description. Save and next. So after this you can write a requirement what you want. I want a sample. I want to know the colors that my customer wants, and similarly I want a basic business or company knowledge or background, whatever, and yeah, just add them. Here you can give a sample, like this should be the way they should have sent me the requirements. Now here's come the must, or you can say a very important part, gallery. You have to give some of your previous works that you have done. Let's assume I give these logos. Here it is, this much logo, and give those logos which are you think the best one. And it's better to have multiple logos in one photo, like this one. So this is how it will give you a better chance. And after that just click save and next, and here you have to put one more, let's assume this one, and make sure you click this declaration mark, and to declare that this is all your work. Yeah, you get this signed and publish the cake. So thanks for watching, and hope it will help you.